Students, topic of the video is MCQ on matrix determinant. In this lecture, we discuss one sum on matrix. The matrix this is idempotent, nilpotent, orthogonal, involuntary, or none of this. For idempotent matrix, A square equals to A. For nilpotent matrix, of order 2 or index 2 is A square equal to 0. Here 0 is null matrix. For orthogonal matrix, is A into A transpose equals to I or IN, identity matrix. For involuntary matrix, A square equals to IN. Now, if none of the properties satisfied, then this is none of this. If A cube equal to 0, then it is nilpotent matrix of index or order 3. Now we check A square equals to which one. Let this matrix is A, so A square equals to 1 2 3 1 2 3 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 and 1 2 3 1 2 3 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. Row by column, 1 into 1 1, 2 into 1 plus 2, 3 into minus 3. Here 2 plus 4 minus 1 and 2, 2 is a 4, 3 is a minus 6. The last one, 1 into 3, 2 into 3, 6, 3 into minus 3, minus 9. The second row by first column, 1 into 1, 1, 2 into 1 plus 2, 3 into minus 1, minus 3. Second row by second column, 1 into 2, 2, 2 into 2 plus 4, 3 into minus 2, minus 6. Second row by third column, 1 into 3, 3, 2 into 3, 6, 3 into minus 3, minus 9. Third row by first column, minus 1 into 1, minus 1, minus 2 into 1, minus 2, minus 3 into minus 1, plus 3, minus 1 into 2, minus 2. Third row, second column, minus 1 into 2, minus 2, minus 2 into 2, minus 4, minus 3 into minus 2, plus 6. Third row by third column, minus 1 into 3, minus 3, minus 2 into 3, minus 6, minus 3 into minus 3, plus 9. And each of the result 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So it is null matrix of order 3. So we satisfy this law. So it is nilpotent matrix of order 2. In the next video we discuss another sum.